Hey, Happy New Year. I'm happy you made it. Yes, you're welcome back to 2023. So, if you have been following me up, been talking about Pydroid, using Pydroid to code in Python. So, we go to our Pydroid. In my last lesson, I was talking about argument, that is taking two arguments. I think I want to correct that aspect. It shouldn't be argument, it should be numbers. Yes, it should be taking two numbers, might be decimal or whole numbers. Yes, so the argument should be out of it, so you not get confused. We are still going to talk about arguments in the proper way. So, but now, without wasting much time, let's get to today's topic. We are going to talk about function conversion today. We're going to talk about arithmetic operator and Boolean expression. Now, let's pick the first one, which is function conversion. Now, what makes this a function? You can say the int represent the integer, converting to integer with brackets at the side. Then float bracket, converting to decimal. Then bool bracket, converting to boolean. Then string, converting to what? String. So these are function conversion. You call it function conversion. Now, let's move to arithmetic operator. Yes, for example, let's write a program. Yes, let's say create a variable called y. Let's assign, let's say 3, 2, then we'll say let's print. That is minus. Let's print the y. It must be in capital, or else it's going to flag you an error. So you can see that is 1. Now we can as well say, let's change it to plus sign. 3 plus, where is our plus 2. Then we say print y. It's going to give us 5. Then let's talk about the division aspects. Let's say 15. We use /2. What this one is going to give us is going to give us the division whole number. It's not going to give us the remainder. So it's going to give us 7. There will be no point. So let's check it out. Do you see that? So it's not going to give you the remainder. So it's going to give you only the division. Since 2 can go in 15 7 times. Then let's now use 1/4/. This is going to give you 7.5. Yes, I think so. You can see. So this we surely complete it. It's going to divide it completely. Then let's look at this. If you have, let's choose this module. I call it module. So let's move this. Yes, call it module, and this is going to give you the remainder. You can see 1. Yes, because that is module. I believe you understand. Those of you that know mathematics very well. So then, if we now have asterisk, let's use 1 asterisk. see it's going to give you 30 because it's multiplication, represent multiplication. But now let's add more asterisk and let's see. It's going to give 2 to 5 because it's seen as square. Now let's now change this. Let's write 10 double asterisk. It's going to give us what? 100. So we have many more. This is how the arithmetic operator works. We will still need it in our programming. Now let's talk about Boolean expression. Yeah, we're going to use this arithmetic operator. That's the essence of showing you Boolean. Let's say you have x equals to, let's use 3. We said let's use 3. That is 3 less than 5. Let's 3 less than 5. Then let's now print y. Let's print y. Yes. Let's print y. What is going to give us? You can see it gave us true because truly 3 is less than y. So now let us change it. Let's use that 3 also, and let's put it like this. Let's look for equal sign. Equals to yes. This means equals to. Your single is assigning. You're assigning the number, attaching it to that y. So, but now you're saying equals to 5. Let's see. Oh, there's an error. A flag does an error. What's wrong? No, we can put this. I think, yeah. So let's find out. That is false because 3 is not equals to 5, and 5 is not equals to 3 either. Now you can see this is how Boolean works. Yes, it depends on the way you want to use it. Yeah, I think we are done. Thank you very much. See you in the next class.